All of us want to express ourselves in different ways. What better way than with your body? And the science is in. The more you move your body, the healthier you are. What we're trying to do in this program is to give you the tools to move forward in your life. It all starts with the body. It doesn't matter if you're 20, in your 30s, in your 50s or 60s. All of these things are relative because we all have a body. And the more we understand how to use it, the more we're going to age gracefully as time goes on. You're in control in your life, and if you just make that first initial step, you'll take the next step and the next step. Eventually, it won't feel like work for you. It'll feel like play.